hammers. Good job, buddy.
Riley's watching Julianne. Riley, are you a good dog? She keeps kicking me. Ryan has his hammer. You fixing the chair?
Did you turn it off? Yeah. Now try it.
There it
There you
goes.
go. Hey, Ryan. Ryan. Turkeys are back. You see the turkeys? They're right there.
Are they on our side now?
They're right in the middle there.
Turkeys. We have a family of turkeys that live in the woods.
What this is?
And they come over to say hi.
Little turkeys.
They're in the backyard before. There they are.
You counting them?
Are you counting the turkeys?
Silly. Couple.
Mercy.
You want to see? Dada can hold you up.
Mercy.
Riley wants to check it out too.
Do you want to get your stool, Ryan? So you can stand on your stool?
Daddy's gonna go get the stool that Auntie made for you.
Here. This is.
Hi, Julianne.
This is.
You eating your bib and your spit cloth?
There.
Julianne's in the jungle.
Oh, look at that, Ryan. In the driveway. Look at them.
Oh, they're in our driveway now. Hi, turkey.
I think he was
funny.
trying to go take the car.
Riley's good about not barking at them as much. They come around so often.
Okay, guys.
Oh, this is my.
What's a good word on the block?
You standing on your stool?
Good dog, Ryan.
Oh,
You want to open it? How come?
Ma, the is. See this? Oh, ready! Ready! Ooh. Oh!
Wait, where's the turkey? What's the turkey say?
Riley, you're in the way.
Oh!
You're in the way.
Nobody.
Who's a good boy?
Oh!
Who's a good boy?
Nobody. Oh, they're mine.
They're running.
Walking.
Now they're walking.
These are mine.
See them run?
Hello.
Step to the porch over there.
Wood.
They're gonna go in the woods.
Yeah.
Daddy, no kissing on the hand.
What are these two doing out back? Looks like that's the mom or something, and she's watching the little one. But don't go too far.
Oh, my doorway. Oh, my doorway. Oh, this is.
Peekaboo.
This is.
There's one in our front steps.
Is it really?